Hello, my friends. Stephanie at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? The Stamps of Life is on the road again. This time we're going to be in Boise, Idaho. This is the first time we've ever gone to this show, and we cannot wait to share our products with you in Idaho. Now, it's going to be January 31st and the 1st, and we're going to have classes. Dina's going to be there teaching classes, and it's a brand new class for 2020. So guess what, Idaho? You get to see our class first before anyone else in the nation, which is really exciting. Now, club members, of course, you get the club discount in the booth. Make sure you come by and check in to get your brand new club button for 2020, which is another exciting thing. And of course, you get the club discount in the booth. So of course, we're going to have all of our newest products, our stamps, our dies, our ink pads. Everything we have is going to be brand new, and you get to see it first. So come see them at January 31st and February 1st. We can't wait to see you there. Bye-bye.